Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Trending Foodie Juhi. Today I've come to see Nonna's to try their authentic Neapolitan style Italian pizzas in Mumbai. So, come with me.
This place is a very popular place in Mumbai and they have multiple outlets जिनके details मैंने आपको description box में दे दिए हैं. We had visited their outlet in Andheri West जिसकी Google location भी आपको description box में मिल जाएगी. This was a warm and cozy outlet. They have a board menu which changes every month and their regular menu is also very limited. They specialize in sourdough pizzas. We had ordered their pizza number 2 which was a classic Margherita pizza and the pizza number 6 on the menu that was a chicken pizza. The most attractive part of the interiors was the central open kitchen. It was really fascinating to see the fresh pizza bases being rolled out and a lot of hustle bustle was going on in the kitchen. All their pizzas are of standard size of 12 inches. Their oven also looked very beautiful. Wait, just to mention here, this is not a sponsored video. Then came our orders. The Margherita pizza had the taste of fresh tomatoes and fresh mozzarella cheese. First I tried it as it is and my mind was blown away. It was super amazing and yummy. Then I put some seasoning and chili flakes and some olive oil on it and it tasted even better. I will rate it a solid 9.5 on 10. This pizza is highly recommended. आप वहाँ जाके ये तो ज़रूर try करना. Then came the second pizza which was the chicken pizza. It was loaded with roasted chicken pieces, cheese, pesto sauce and some sun-ripe tomatoes. You can see the edges of the pizza. It was well baked, light, airy and fluffy. There was a burst of flavors in my mouth and trust me, this pizza was a flavor bomb. I will rate it a solid 9 on 10. Then finally, for our desserts, we ordered the vanilla panna cotta with blueberry compote. It was smooth and yummy, but for the price, I felt the quantity was less. I will rate it a 7.5 on 10. I have mentioned all the prices in the description. They also sell some sourdough breads if you want to buy. This place has prices which are a little on a higher side, but definitely the taste is good.
This place is fantastic and definitely must try. Do let me know in the comments which is your favorite pizza and have you ever tried Neapolitan style Italian authentic pizzas? If you like the video, like and share the video with your family and friends, and if you come to this place, do let me know. Bye bye and take care.